Hello, I'm here at FTTH Valencia with Stephanos, and we want to hear a little bit from you about some of the big trends that you're hearing at the show this year.
Sure. So it's the show is actually pretty vibrating. We have a lot of customers visiting around. They're looking for solutions. There's a big demand for fiber to the home and broadband connectivity throughout most of the European countries. We see deployment continue to increase on a year-per-year basis. We see countries that were slow in taking up the fiber to the home deployment now going in, full speed. One thing that's helping that is obviously the governments around Europe are investing money and they're trying to stimulate that deployment. Their reasoning behind it, it's not just bringing broadband to the home, but also all the other applications that come along with it. You want to look at it from a security perspective, safety perspective. There's a lot of applications that these guys are looking at. And we also see some non-traditional service providers getting into the space. We have a lot of examples in places like Italy, like Ireland, for example, where you see the big utility companies, electric companies coming into the space and realizing that they have a very huge customer base and that there is service to be provided to that customer base beyond the traditional, perhaps electric service or gas service or whatever else they want to do. So, these are companies that traditionally have the capability to spend, and they have the footprint throughout the countries to lay out the cable and the infrastructure that they need to lay in order to bring the broadband service to the home, to the premise, to the business, and to the X for that matter. So it's certainly, we had a very good year in 2017 from a demand perspective, and we see that continuing throughout 2018 and beyond.
Well, fantastic. Thank you so much, Stephanos. Enjoyed the show. Thank you.